I'm cleaning out my disgusting refrigerator. We have leftovers. We have some veggies that have gone way too far. And something in there stinks. Might be this bag of salad mix that I never opened. It's kind of slimy. Ugh, gross. Anyway, this is going to go to the chickens. One thing about having chickens, you don't have any food waste because anything you don't eat, trust me, they will. They will even eat chicken. Got a dirty spoon. Just gonna spoon all this stuff. I don't even know what this is. I think this might be pizza sauce that I made. They'll eat it. And they'll love it. And my dogs would love to get all these leftovers. But there's like some Brussels sprouts in here, and the dogs don't get Brussels sprouts because they have Brussels sprout farts. And let me just tell you, Brussels sprout farts and dogs, no bueno. Some green onion. Now I'm gonna have to do dishes. My least favorite activity. Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and smoked sausage, which was delicious. But I don't eat a whole lot of leftovers because I usually don't eat lunch. So if it's something that the kid won't eat, and nobody else can eat it. A whole giant bowl full of vegetable soup. Ooh, they are gonna love me. What's in here? Some broccoli and mac and cheese. Oh, I know. Y'all can lick the bowls. How about that? Here. Lick that bowl. Lick that bowl. Here you go. Here's your bowl. Chili. None of this stuff stinks, so I'm not exactly sure what's stinking in my refrigerator. Might have to dig a little deeper. But like I said, when you've got chickens, you don't have food waste because this might look like a giant pan full of food waste, but they're gonna eat it. They're going to get some nutrients out of it, and they're not going to eat as much of their actual feed, which is going to save me money in the long run. Pulled pork. This I actually might give to the dogs. Come here, Dakota. You want some of this? I'm not going to take off my fingers. This is for her. This is for. Ow! God, y'all are freaking psycho. Here. Alright, so. This is going to the chickens. They're gonna love me. Alright, leftovers are going to the chickens. Here you go, this. Ooh, yeah. Poppy, where's your baby? Oh, she's over there. Wait.